Hey you guys, I am so excited to be here. Happy Thursday. I thought I would pop in. I am dedicating this week to green cleaning my home and my home environment and encouraging others to do the same. So I wanted to pop in and just share with you two of my favorite laundry kind of do-it-yourself hacks. Um, in our laundry, two of the most kind of toxic and chemically filled products with fragrance and other things are our laundry fabric softener and the dryer sheets that most of you probably use. I've used them for years. And so now I want to share something that can replace both of those that are super easy and super doable. So the first one is going to replace the fabric softener. And this is a laundry softener. Super easy to make. And what it is it's 65 or 64 ounces of Epsom salts, 40 drops of lavender essential oil, 30 drops of melaleuca, which is tea tree oil, and then 20 drops of lemon essential oil. So what you do is you take the Epsom salt, you put it in a big bowl, stainless steel bowl if you have one, and then you do all the drops, and then you mix it all together and put it into a nice jar. And then I have this one labeled. And then what you do when you go to use it, you put in your laundry detergent, which I use the On Guard doTERRA laundry detergent. I love it so much. This is 64 loads worth. So super concentrated, super safe, color safe, doesn't have any toxins, dyes, fragrances, anything like that. So I love it. So I put that in, I put about a tablespoon in, and then I take a big scoop. I have a little ice cream scooper, but you can use anything. I take a scoop and you put this right into the drum of your washer. And then voila, it totally works. It makes all your clothes smell great and it softens your clothes. So that's a really fun one to make. If you have kids or family at home, you can bring them all together. Super cost effective. The Epsom salts, I just bought a 5-pound bag and it was $6.99. So super easy. You can get it off Amazon. You can get the oils. You want to make sure when you're making do-it-yourself products that what you're using, especially essential oils, are pure, potent, are of the highest quality and of the highest sourcing. So that's why I love doTERRA so much. I totally trust doTERRA's products and their sourcing and everything. So I would recommend using an essential oil company like doTERRA and not buying your essential oils from Michael's or Best Buy or even the Dollar Tree these days. So you just want to be smart about what you're using. And then another one to replace the dryer sheets are dryer balls. So this is super fun. These I bought off Amazon. They're 100% wool. I got a pack of 8. They last up to 3 weeks. So what I do is I take 2 of the balls and I drop 3 drops of lavender essential oil on them. So 6 drops total. Throw them in the last 5 to 10 minutes of the dryer cycle. And then voila, you've got amazing smelling clothes and the dryer sheets you don't need. So it's super, super fun and just something different. So you don't need to buy the dryer sheets anymore. Just use the dryer balls. They're reusable, super cost effective again. So I hope that was helpful, little laundry hacks. And I hope to be in and I'll share some of my other fun products with you all. So have a beautiful rest of your day.